1996 GMC 1500. Really nice truck. I love those GMCs. It's got aftermarket converters, bolt-on. He had a bolt-on kit put on a while back. Somewhere, I don't know. There's one there. One there. Then it continues true dual. And he didn't want it loud. He's in his 50s, late 50s. So he wanted just something quiet. So we put him a MagnaFlow 18-inch body, dual in, dual out. Right there. Continue the true dual. All the way back into 4-inch tips. There and there. 4-inch angle cut by 18. Right there. And right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It's a GMC 1500 Sierra. There's the MagnaFlow Magna. 18-inch body. We'll put a link in the description for it, if we can get one. Again. Sound decibels again. As you guys can see, it's not too loud. Sounds really nice. It was 98. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds really good. Smooth. Those MagnaFlows always don't disappoint when they're like, when you want it just a deep tone without a lot of raspiness. That MagnaFlow always delivers. Get deeper in about 30 days once that fiberglass compacts. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Do an inside video real quick. That's what he's doing. Okay. And then do me a favor when you leave, get on. GMC 1500 Sierra. MagnaFlow True Duals. Get on it! All right! Perfect. Hope you guys enjoy. 1988 Chevy 1500 with a 350 small block. There's the original converter we cut off. We cut everything else off. And we ran a high flow cat. There, 3-inch pipe into a Flowmaster Super 10. There'll be a link in the description for that. And then 3-inch tailpipe out the side into dual tip, resonated. Right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Back it up. '97 on the sound decibels. Much better. Chevy long bed. Huh? '94 Chevy 1500. What we got done on it for you guys. It's got stock converter, 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Then 3-inch intermediate pipe into a carbon exhaust. TR performance muffler. 3-inch in, 3-inch out. He didn't want it too loud, and the TR edition is a little bit quieter than the Type R by itself. Then we have a 2.5 inch Y pipe, 3 inch to 2.5 inch tailpipes, mandrel bent all the way, and you wanted to mount the sides with ankle cut tips there and there, 4x18. Tell us what you guys think of the sound of it once you guys hear it, and we'll have a link in the description for it if you guys want to purchase it, if we can find it online. There it is, Carvin. What do you guys think? Again? There's sound decibels again. 102. It's not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. Sorry guys, it's windy today, so Tennessee everyday weather changes. I always like them tucked like that, the tips, where you only see the edge of it. Let you guys hear it on the inside. He calls her Betty Blue, and I don't blame him, because you know what? That's my favorite color is blue, and she looks good. For her age, she looks real good. He's gonna get it tinted next. Work in progress. '96 Chevy 1500 Silverado 5.7 liter V8, the usual heartbeat of America. You guys gotta admit, it is. Anyways, got factory converters there and there. Then it comes true dual factory. He didn't want to do true duals yet. He just wanted to see what it sounds like with a Y pipe. So we gave him this Y pipe setup right there. 2.25 to 2.5, and then 2.5 inch pipe to 2.5 inch original tailpipe. And then we put on it a 4-inch tip angle cut right there. So that's how you do a muffler delete on these, boys and girls. Let us know what you guys think in the comments of the sound that it will make. I think it's gonna sound fantastic. There it is. Really good shaped truck. Let you guys hear it in a second. That sounds good. There's sound decibels. 108, bro, that's not bad. Yeah, you got a brake light out. guys think? I think it sounds pretty good. Go beast mode! Hopefully he will. We'll see. He'll get on it. It's a work in progress. He just bought it yesterday. Paid only $3 grand for it. You can't beat that. There's his buddy. He's got true duals on this Avalanche. Let's see what she sounds like. Give you guys double that. He's got true dual straight pipe. Get on it! That's the difference between a white pipe dual and a true dual. You can still hear it. Tell us what you guys think. Hope you enjoy it. 1994 Chevy Silverado 1500. What we got done on it for you guys? Something special. True duals, got headers on it on each side. They were done somewhere else. And then what we did is put 2 high flow cats side by side, then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and then 2 1/4 tailpipes on each side, right there and right there, in 2 massive 6-inch tips by 18s angle cut, there and there. And when they tell you they can't do it, you bring it to us and we can do it. This thing is lowered, as you guys can see from the tire, and we still managed to clear everything and do duals for them. True duals, all the way back, right there. Just like that. There it is. It came out really clean, guys. You see it? Really nice. Go ahead. Oh. That sounds sick! There's sound decibels again. Right at 123. Yeah, it's awesome. You can hear it clap. It barely clears. Listen to that. Again? That sounds phenomenal. Go. Tell us what you think. You like it? Hell yeah. Hey, get on it when you leave, okay? Enjoy it, man. Thank you. Those wheels are perfect for it. Silverado. True duals, high flows. It's got a cam in it. Long tube headers. Still warming up. 6-inch tips. You can still hear it. I love it. Hope you guys enjoy.